It's Teacher Michael here, and today I'm going to be sharing 4 really useful English grammar tips with you to help you with your English life and how to navigate English every day. But first, it's time to order some breakfast. It's so good. Okay, Consult, it's time to study. Tarin. The first thing I want to share with you is about the present simple or the simple present tense. Let's start about how to make it. First, we just have a subject and then we have our infinitive. And the reason that we use our present simple tense, we describe actions that happen every day. It could be a habit, it could be a schedule, it could be a timeline, it could be a routine, but we also use present simple to talk about our feeling and just the normal, like a state of being. So for example, I love you. I love you every day. That's a feeling, right? So the second point, before I get to that, I really want to drink this amazing coffee. The next grammar point that I have for you is the past simple tense. So how we make the past simple tense is we have the subject, of course, and then we have our verb to, which is the past verb, right? So this is why we use the past simple tense, and we make it with subject plus our verb to, which is the past tense verb. So a way we can use that is, yesterday I went to the dentist. 2 days ago, I went to Thailand. You can also say what you ate for breakfast yesterday. I ate egg. So that is why we use the past simple tense, to talk about an action that is done. So let's go ahead and move on to our third grammar point, which is how to properly use used to when describing something that we did in the past. So when we use used to plus the infinitive, I used to go to school every day, or I used to eat vegetables all the time. This is a habit or routine or something that you did very, very, very often in the past. We don't use it for something that we did one time. So incorrectly, we could say, well, I used to go to Thailand one time. That's absolutely incorrect because it only happened one time. But you really don't do it now. And that is how to properly use used to in the past simple tense. And our final grammar point, my lovely Consult, is talking about present perfect tense, but the present perfect tense compared with the past simple tense. Let's go ahead and start with present perfect. The structure is subject plus has or have, that depends on the subject, plus verb 3. We use the present perfect tense to describe an action in the past that is connected to now. It's not continuing until now. So here's the easy way to remember present perfect tense. It is something that happened in the past, but there's something that's not quite finished. It could be an experience. It could be anything that you've done in the past that you may do again. We don't really know, and we really don't care. So for example, if I tell you, I have been to Thailand before. I have traveled, I have gone to Thailand before. But what we do know is that something in the present perfect tense is not finished. All right, my lovely students, that is the end of our Rian today. That's the end of our English class today. I hope you learned a lot with me for grammar tips, and I will see you when you see me. Bye-bye, everybody. Ông ơi, xong muối tiết, omelette muối tiết. Yeah.